Oh, hi mature audiences, it's me LFonTV from the vlog, and today I'm going in the Rainforest Park with my family. Here's my mum, dad, and I'm also bringing my sister with me. We're heading to the Serenity Waterfalls at some time at the rainforest. I think it's going to be great. I hope you enjoy my view photos I'll show later. So let's get started on our adventure. Real pretty. I love the sound of gurgling water in the morning. I wonder if that's a dam over there.
Look at those gnarly roots of the tree.
Oh, yeah. They look all weird and wonky.
Narnia sort of stuff. Yeah.
The land constantly reshapes itself, and reading the landscape tells us many changes in the ancient land. The basalt boulders are from the lava flows of volcanoes that erupted south of Manly 25 million years ago. Below the basalt is sandstone, carved and shaped by the creek into cliffs and overhangs. This suggests that 200 million years ago, the mountain was a swamp or lake, trapping sand and gravel washed from the western mountains.
Here we are at Serenity Falls. Don't you just love the sound of the gurgling water? Well, that was some rainforest ride and was so much fun. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember not to throw garbage in the ocean, and don't say mermaids aren't real, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you don't want to miss anything, click on the notifications bell and to like that video. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.